Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cryotos Maintenance Management Podcast, your go-to space for exploring how technology and smart strategies are reshaping modern maintenance. I'm Bruce, and today's topic is one that can make or break operations: the risks of neglecting preventive maintenance. Joining me is Alex, an expert in maintenance management, IoT, and Industry 4.0 systems. Great to have you on, Alex.
Thanks, Bruce. Always excited to talk about this. Neglecting preventive maintenance might seem harmless at first, but it's like ignoring a warning light in your car. You save a little now and pay a lot later. Preventive maintenance is what keeps operations stable, safe, and cost-effective in the long run.
Well put. So, what are the biggest risks when companies skip preventive maintenance?
The main one is unplanned downtime. Skipping routine checks lets small issues grow into big failures. Even minor wear or lubrication problems can stop production and hurt delivery timelines. It also shortens asset lifespan. Machines that aren't maintained lose efficiency and wear out faster, sometimes cutting their service life by up to 30%. That directly affects productivity and maintenance budgets.
That's costly. And I imagine this affects safety too?
Definitely. Faulty equipment increases accident risks, from overheating to leaks or breakdowns. Beyond injuries, the financial and reputational fallout can be huge. There's also a data angle. In connected plants, IoT sensors need reliable input. When neglected machines produce inaccurate data, predictive systems start making poor decisions across the operation.
That's a strong point. Bad maintenance leading to bad data. How can teams start turning that around?
It's all about mindset and structure. Preventive maintenance should be seen as an investment in uptime and reliability. Tools like Cryotos CMMS help by automating scheduling, tracking tasks, and collecting data in real time. Combine that with IoT and machine learning, and you move from reacting to predicting issues before they happen.
That shift changes everything. Less chaos, more control, and a more confident operations team.
Exactly. The result is fewer failures, longer equipment life, safer environments, and controlled costs. Preventive maintenance is the foundation of digital transformation in maintenance.
Couldn't agree more. It's the unsung hero of industrial efficiency, and it's what separates proactive organizations from those constantly chasing emergencies. Thanks, Alex, for sharing these insights. And to our listeners, if your team is still running reactively, now's the time to change that. Visit Cryotos to see how proactive maintenance can transform your operations.
Thanks for having me, Bruce. Always great chatting.
Same here. Until next time, stay reliable, stay productive, and keep your assets in top shape.